So, this is a love reading for you, Cancer, for September to October. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for you, Cancer, and your love interest. Maybe it is your partner, maybe it is your spouse, someone you have a crush on, or just someone you met briefly. So, this is a general reading, and everything will not resonate as it is with all Cancer, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So let us see how's the reading. Also, do download and read my September newsletter. There's a lot of effort gone into building it, and then you want to also share it with as many people or as widely as possible. So, who are you in the relationship, Cancer, and who is your partner? What is the strength and challenges you both bring? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you are coming from, your partner is coming from, and how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, Cancer, you're very, very successful, and you rule the communication, the ability to think through, and just find solutions. You're so capable, and it's almost like if you get an opportunity, you make a great deal success out of it. It's not like you let it keep lying low, or you don't make it happen. You're someone who goes big with even a smallest of opportunity. When I'm seeing these cards, you are offering a lot of success and a crown to your partner. You see, your partner looks like is hurt. There is a bandage on the head. So your partner is hurt in some way, and looks like you're offering a lot of success and a crown to your partner. So some of you may be dating or are married to somebody who's not from as affluent a background as you are, or your partner may not have such a good job situation or doesn't come from such a strong business background as you do. But the good part is you're offering a lot of love and affection and opportunity to your partner. This is also telling me you're proposing to your partner, and he or she is taking his or her own time. It's almost like your partner is struggling to make a decision to whether say yes or not, or some such thing. Also in a marriage, I'm seeing is you know how to create a lot of win, but your partner is struggling, so you speak the most aptly or say the most right thing. Your partner struggles with a lot of things. Maybe it is work wise, maybe it is just holding on to something for such a long time and things not working out. So also, when I'm looking at this guidance, it's telling me that you have created success out of nothing. And so it's not like as a partner, if you're struggling, you're dealing with more. That is not the case. I'm seeing that Cancer has come out of great difficulty or challenges and has created immense success. This is also a guidance of pregnancy. It's quite possible that Cancer, you're pregnant, or there is a family way, and your partner is maybe there was it is come as a surprise, or it is some kind of a struggle for your partner, maybe just coming to realize that there are now more roles and responsibilities. But there is a certain struggle, not to say that your partner is not happy, but it's just that I'm seeing maybe there is a surprise pregnancy that's come along as well. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? Your you have such beautiful cards, Cancer. You are someone who loves to be with people. There is no complex in you of any kind. It's not like you are dealing with some emotions or conflict. You're such a sorted, happy person who's also always welcoming people, accepting ideas, challenges, and the newness does not bother you. It's like if you go to a new place and meet some new people, or you go to a new job, it doesn't bother you. You actually start to feel at home because you are enjoying the company so much, and there's just so much love in you, and you are so positive and accepting of even your partner. I am seeing that there are such positive cards from you, that I'm seeing such pregnancy, almost this very big win in terms of how your life is. And then you're also seeing is a marriage or acceptance you want it to happen. Or if some of you are married, you're just so happy in your life, in your love life. I don't know what is going on with your partner, but he or she is first struggling some bit for something or the other. It's quite possible that your partner is an overthinker. He or she, whenever he or she is little bit free or has a free time at hand, he or she starts to worry, and that is what is showing up in the cards. When I look at strength and challenges, your partner wants to go traveling, and it is a very nice guidance. He or she wants to go exploring, traveling, and why not? Maybe the two of you should take a break or go on a holiday. And this is what is maybe needed in the marriage or the relationship right now. He or she truly wants to take a break. It's quite possible if you're a partner to Cancer, you want to apply for leave or just take some time off and maybe travel. And it's nice if you take Cancer with you, because he or she is so positive, so accepting, and just loves people, newness. So cards are all good. Now, how do you see your partner, Cancer, and how does your partner see you? So your partner, so you see your partner as someone who's very mature, is amazingly sensitive, and always has time to listen to you, and broker peace wherever needed. Maybe if it is your family, whether it is the two of you in a disagreement, so your partner will always have a lot of understanding to extend. And I'm also seeing that you like that your partner will adapt to a situation very quickly and understands you very well. So you love this partner so deeply, because he or she is so adapting to how you are as a person. Also, some of you truly feel that your partner is an absolute angel, and you have no complaints with this partner. Your partner sees you, Cancer, as someone happily ever after with, and truly sees a wedding. So, some of you who are dating or are together, I totally see you wanting to get married to Cancer as a partner. And Cancer cards are also very nice. So, I definitely, it should happen. So, when I'm seeing this guidance, it's telling me the partner, you're very convinced that this is a happily ever after for the two of you, and this union is like made in heaven. And this is how marriages should be. So you see this as a winning relationship, and that the two of you can go very big together. The good part is you both are very positive on each other, and there are all cup cards here, so it's telling me you both are amazingly sensitive and emotional. So it's looking very strong. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, and likewise your partner has about you? So, you feel that about the future you're very positive, Cancer, and you believe that your partner can guess everything about you. And he or she, as I said, you see this partner as someone who adapts very quickly to how you want, how the social situation is, and how you want him or her to behave. And in the future you are seeing that this partner is capable of lot of forethought, or bringing in amazing level of understanding. So you are convinced that this is a great union whenever it happens. So Cancer, you're quite positive about the future together. As a partner, you have a lot of worry, and maybe it's like you think about days, then maybe if somehow this whole union or relationship were to come to an end, I will plead to Cancer that give me one more chance. So this is how you think, partner, about the future, that if ever it comes down to an ending or breakup or something, you will plead your case to whatever it will take. So you shouldn't be so insecure. As I said, you could be overthinking a lot of times, and then you have also overthought this situation in the future, that if it comes down to something bad or things not working out, you will plead your life out. So anyhow, you could be a little bit more positive, but you seem to be working with this energy. It's also possible because you love Cancer very deeply, and that is how you have mentally thought of some solution should something ever go wrong or you get worked up. But there's no reason for you to feel so insecure, partner. You could feel more secure and enjoy life more. You're quite worried or quite struggling sometimes. What is the past you're coming from, Cancer, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, I'm seeing is lot of money, and it tells me you may be coming from a very very well to do family. Whatever you wanted, you always got it. If you wanted to travel somewhere, your travels were funded. If you wanted support with your education, you got it. If you wanted to maybe buy a car, your family helped you out. So money was never a problem. I'm just saying that you come from a very well to do background, and it's not just family. Maybe even you may have built a lot of money on your own, so you may be somebody very well to do as well. And your cards are announcing a lot of success and promotion and big situation in life, so it's quite possible you're somebody very very successful. When I look at what is the past your partner is coming from, he or she's made some misses in the past. It's like when your partner could have said no to some people, he or she did not. And then there were times when your partner could have taken an inspiration to start something new, or just give air to a lot of how they feel about or the skills that they have. Your partner did not give air or did not make it go big, so that there is some regret about not taking on inspiration as well or as strongly. Maybe your partner regrets a certain professional career not taking off, because I'm seeing that there is a regret in the past about how you did not take that push or drive that came through, and you could have then just made it something very big. So this is how the past is. Now let us see how's overall the guidance for the love reading. So when I look at when I look at this guidance, you both will not touch the absolute top tier of luxury and the billionaire lifestyle or something. So you will stay fairly well to do, and I'm seeing that the two of you may settle somewhere away from the family. It's like maybe if you're able to visit your family regularly now, the two of you may be based or settled somewhere where you're not able to meet your family regularly, and you both will be well to do. It's just that I'm not saying absolute luxury or riches, but these are all the readings change. So as of now, I'm just getting this, that your life may be also in a situation where there is a lot of money or good life, and the two of you are not driving the most expensive car in the town or have the biggest of house in the town or city. So that's not how your situation is. You're pretty well to do, but regular, maybe upper middle class or something. And I'm seeing that two of you may be staying, or you both may move in somewhere little bit far away from your families, so you both may just have you know be together or something. But maybe even the future you may both settle somewhere little bit away from family. Maybe it's a new place, maybe it is a new country, I don't know, but that's how I'm getting the guidance. So this is how the love reading was for you, Cancer, and your love interest.